See the sentence, you will understand. I threw the ball. Okay, in this we asked the question verb and we found the object with what, that I threw what, you get the answer, the ball. Correct? See the second sentence, vegetables grew. What is the verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, grew.
Can you answer the question grew what? Is it answering anything?
No. Ma'am, vegetables.
No, after the verb. To find the object, beta, we look after the verb. What happened? After the verb, is it giving any object to us? Is it giving any object to us? So it is intransitive. So intransitive verbs are those verbs, those sentences, they will make sense. They make complete sense, but they do not have an object. Now, what do you mean? See this one. The children clapped loudly. Is it a transitive sentence or an intransitive? Come on, tell me.
I'm transitive.
Oh. Achha. So you all are saying it is transitive. Verb plus what? If you get the answer object, if you get object, then it should be transitive. This is what I told you. If you ask verb plus what, and whatever answer you get is your object. If you get the object, then this is transitive. What is the verb in this sentence? Clapped, right? I asked the question what. Am I getting any answer over here? Am I getting any answer over here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You all said this is transitive. How is it transitive? Please tell me. It is intransitive because it is not answering anything. It is a blank. It does not give us any answer. Remember, transitive will always give you the answer to the question what or who or whom. This is what is transitive. Yes. If it, wait, just 1 second, bacha. If it answers how, if it answers when, where, if this is what we are getting the answers, if we are getting answers to all these questions, then it is intransitive. And this is intransitive. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Someone said, excuse me, please ask.
Ma'am, Tanveer is having network problem and he is not able to unmute.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay, Tanveer. Whatever issue is there, you can type. We will. I'll solve it. Okay, tell Tanveer. Okay. Now, C. Tell me what is the answer for this one. Marcos ate a burger. Is it a transitive verb?
Ma'am, this is transitive. Ma'am, it's transitive.
Correct. Why? Because Marcos ate what? We get the answer, a burger. So it is transitive. Tell me about this one. Olivia laughed.
Ma'am, intransitive.
I'm intransitive.
I want the class to be active, not only 2 or 3 students. Everyone should answer. Yes, it is intransitive. Aryan, don't answer the next one, beta. Be quiet, okay? For a minute, be quiet. Because you cannot answer laughed what. Next one, Meena slept all day. Aryan, don't answer.
I'm transitive.
Okay.
Ma'am, transitive.
Okay. More answers, please.
Ma'am, can I Aryan?
No, Aryan, wait.
I'm intransitive.
Trideep, is that you, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ruchi, what is the answer to this one? Transitive or intransitive? Come on, quick. Ruchi, are you there? Bacha, I saw you there. Sanskar, what do you think? It is transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, transitive.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's
So
transitive.
okay. So all those students who said this is transitive is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Bacha, I told you it will answer what? Slept what? Is it giving you an answer all day? The question for this would be, she slept for how long? She slept all day. So this is intransitive because it is not answering the question what. Simple सा question पूछना है आपको. What? If you are getting the answer, it is. If you are not getting the answer, it is intransitive. What is the answer for this one? Yash fed the cat. Come on, give the answer for this one. What is this? Transitive or
Ma'am,
intransitive?
can I, Aryan? Ma'am, can I,
No,
Aryan?
Aryan. No, Aryan.
Ma'am, transitive.
Correct.
Ma'am, transitive.
Very good. Yes, it is transitive because fed what and you get the answer, the cat. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kevin fell and hurt his knee.
No,
Just
ma'am.
he fell. Just
Ma'am,
he fell.
Intransitive.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Intransitive. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
So
Intransitive.
if you see, just 1 second, if you see the verb fell, then it is intransitive. If you see the whole thing, Kevin fell and hurt what? Then you get the answer, his knee, so it is transitive. So that is how you're supposed to
I
see.
have
You
a
will
doubt.
never, Aryan, just 1 second, bacha. You will hardly get any sentences where you will see two verbs and then there'll be a confusion. Otherwise, you will always see the verb together. Okay? So Kevin hurt his knee would be transitive. Yes, Aryan, what is your doubt, beta? Pucho.
Ma'am, in the question, yes, fed the cat. Ma'am, the question would be to whom? Yes, fed to whom? Ma'am,
Yeah. So it is both the things, no? I told you for object, it is both the things. We ask what or who. So Yash fed what? The cat. Yash fed whom? The cat. Both the ways you get the direct object. Both the ways. You remember in the beginning only I said it is what or who.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The only thing that it should not answer is how, where, and when. Rest, what and who, both are for direct objects. They are for your transitives. Okay. Now tell me for this. John is tired.
I'm intransitive.
I'm intransitive.
Okay. Any other answers?
Transitive.
Okay, transitive.
Ma'am,
Okay.
transitive.
Transitive. Okay.
Ma'am,
Any other
transitive.
answer? Okay, so you're also saying transitive. Okay. Any other answer? Okay, so all those students who said intransitive are correct. All those students who said intransitive. Now see why. But if I ask, you don't have to see John. You just have to ask the question with verb. Is what? Is it even a question? It is not even a question. Therefore, it is intransitive. So now what do you learn from this is all your linking verbs, all your linking verbs is, am, are, was, were, all your linking verbs, they are intransitive. If I say I was ill, I can never ask the question was what? What? It does not even make sense. We need to have the main verb to ask question what. So with linking verbs, it is always intransitive. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So transitive and
Yes.
intransitive
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Transitive and intransitive clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Why I taught you transitive and intransitive is because only transitive verb sentences can be changed into passive voice. Obviously, if there is no object, you cannot change it into passive voice. So intransitive sentences cannot be changed to passive voice. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the last
Yes,
topic
ma'am.
that we're going to cover for today is ditransitive verbs. Now di means two. Di means two. So any sentence where you have two objects, they are called ditransitive verb. You remember chapter sentences, we had direct object and indirect object.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
the same thing is over here, right? If you have two objects, one of them is direct, the other is indirect. Now see, she gave me a present. If I remove the word a present, is this sentence making sense?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Correct?
No, ma'am.
But if I remove me from here, is it making sense?
Yes.
No, ma'am. No.
Yes.
Yes, it is. It is making sense. It does not require me. She gave a present. Simple. I don't want to know to whom or anything. This sentence is making complete sense. Okay. Now tell me, which is the important one? Me or a present?
I'm
A
present.
A present.
Present.
What is the verb in this sentence?
Ma'am gave.
Okay.
Gave.
Gave.
To find the object, we write gave plus what? What is the answer that we are getting?
A present.
A present.
That means
Ma'am.
a present is our direct object. It is our direct object. Okay. And if you remember, I told you to find the indirect object, we always ask verb plus who or whom. So out here, if I ask gave whom, what is the answer I'm getting?
Me.
Is your indirect object. Me is your indirect object. Okay, I'm explaining once again. In a sentence, if there are two objects, to find the direct object, you will ask the question verb plus what. Okay, this we have done in sentences chapter also, bacha. If we have to find two objects and to find the direct object, we will ask what. Whatever answer you get is your direct object. To find the indirect object, we will ask who or whom. Whatever answer we get is your indirect object. It is your indirect object. Now, when it comes to passive voice, how are we supposed to turn? The first is simple, जो अभी तक मैं आपको बता रही थी. The first way is simple. You bring the object front. The object would be in the front. That is a present. Okay, let me just show you. Let's go step by step. A present is over here. Okay, let's go by. She changes to her. Okay, gave is there. So given will be there. Gave is which tense? Present or past?
Ma'am.
Pass.
Pass.
Past. Present
past.
is singular or plural?
Single.
A present is singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular बेटा, plural कहाँ से हो गया? Plural होता presents लिखा होता अगर यहाँ पे presents होता. This is singular. With singular we use was. So a present was given and to me will come exactly in the same way. A present was given to me by her. So this is one way जो अभी तक हम कर रहे थे. ठीक है. The second way would be to change or begin your sentence with indirect object. आपका indirect object क्या था इसमें? Me था. Your indirect object is me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number
You can
88 देखो. Me changes to what? Me किस में change हो जाता है?
I.
I. Correct. So your sentence would be I. I के साथ past tense में use होता है was. Given will be there, given only. I was given a, what was I given? A present by her. This is the second way to write it. So the first is with direct object. The second way is to write with indirect object. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do a second example. You tell me. Ram sent roses to me. First, find the direct object. First, tell me what is the direct object in this sentence. Tell me what is the direct.
Mama
What is direct object?
Ma'am, Rose.
Ma'am.
Roses.
Rose, beta, roses. Please do not forget whatever is written. You have to say the same thing. Else, I will not give you marks. Roses. Okay, what is the indirect object in this sentence?
Ma'am, me.
Me. Correct? Me. Let us start both the sentences first with direct object, then second with indirect. Chalo, give me the answer.
Ma'am, Rose was sent to me by.
Okay. Send is which tense? Send is which
Ma'am,
tense?
Ma'am, past.
No. It is present. Past होता है इसका T. Let's go step by step बेटा. Roses इधर आ गया. By Ram आ गया. Okay. Present tense है. Plural है roses. Are हो जाएगा. Sent का third form is sent to me by Ram. Simple. Let's go with the second form. What would be the second form? With I in present tense, we use am. I am sent roses by him. Oh, by Ram. Finish.
Time is over.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Let's
ma'am.
do one more.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Clear? Who said no, ma'am? Bacha, who said
Ma'am,
yes,
Aryan.
ma'am?
Ma'am, Aryan.
Aryan, it's not clear to you? Surprise.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear sometimes.
Okay, okay, not an issue. I'll explain again. Aryan, can you only Aryan to answer now so that he understands? He gave us some almonds. Aryan, tell me what is the direct object in this sentence?
Ma'am, some almonds.
Some almonds. What is the indirect object in this sentence?
Ma'am, us.
Okay. Give me a passive voice starting with some almonds with the direct object. Give me some almonds. Go step by step, beta.
Ma'am, some almonds were given. Some almonds were given.
Why were?
Ma'am, because it is in past tense.
Yes, and some almonds is plural, so that is why were. Some almonds were given. After that,
Some almonds were given to us
to us.
by him.
Correct. By him. So the first form is correct. Now start with us. Us will change to. See your page number
We.
88. We.
Ma'am,
Correct.
we.
Yeah. So we, then.
Ma'am, we were.
Yes.
Given some almonds
We were given some almonds.
by him.
This is what you have to do. This is what is ditransitive. The first you wrote with direct object, the second you wrote with indirect object. That's it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, time is over.
Everyone, is it clear to everyone? It's okay, beta. Meeting है कहीं आपकी important? जाना है कहीं? हाँ? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how you do for this. Gave her some roses. Some roses were given to her by him. And the second one you begin with her. So you will write she was given some roses by him. With plural, roses was there, so we used were. When she was there, that is singular, then we used was. So ditransitive clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.